Road signs are the key to DMV test success. Learn these top 40 must-know U.S. road signs and boost your chances of passing. Let's get into it. What is this traffic sign? Exactly. This is the no stopping sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely done. This is the yield sign ahead sign. This traffic sign is great. This is the do not enter sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is the no U-turn sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This is the school zone sign. This road sign is exactly. This is the stop sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely recognized. This is the traffic light ahead sign. Name this road sign. Perfect. This is the railroad crossing crossbuck sign. This traffic sign is great. This is the pedestrian's crossing sign. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This is the no right turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. This is the yield sign. What is this road sign? Nicely done. This is the two-way traffic sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This is the road narrows sign. This road sign is exactly. This is the no left turn sign. Identify this road sign. Nicely recognized. This is the crosswind sign. This traffic sign is great. This is the stop sign ahead sign. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the flagger ahead sign. Identify this road sign. Exactly. This is the divided highway end sign. Name this traffic sign. Nicely done. This is the steep grade hill sign. Guess this road sign. Good observation. This is the winding road sign. Identify this traffic sign. Perfect. This is the trailer camping sign. This traffic sign is? Great! This is the deer crossing sign. What is this road sign? Nicely recognized. This is the parking area sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the no bicycles sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the narrow underpass sign. This road sign is? Nicely done. This is the reverse turn left sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This is the turn left sign. Identify this road sign. Exactly. This is the exit speed sign. What is this traffic sign? Well spotted. This is the farm vehicles sign. This traffic sign is? Great. This is the emergency vehicle sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely recognized. This is the bus station sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This is the bike lane sign. Name this road sign. Well done. This is the state route marker sign. This road sign is? Perfect. This is the truck route sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely recognized. This is the no pedestrians crossing sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly. This is the bicycle and pedestrian sign. What is this road sign? Good observation. This is the turn right sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely done. This is the no snowmobiles sign. Guess this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is the speed limit ahead sign. This traffic sign is exactly. This is the narrow bridge sign. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and enable notifications for more DMV road sign videos and driving test guidance. Keep the momentum going with the videos on your screen. See you in the next one.